Welcome all to the world of maths. This is Christabel and you're watching my YouTube channel KRISY'S Maths Academy. So, this video is a continuation on the chapter of HCF and LCM of numbers. And in this video, I'll be covering the topics on LCM and the methods to find the LCM of numbers, that is the factorization method and the common division method. Okay, and I will explain those methods with an example. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what is an LCM? LCM means least common multiple. In my previous video, I told about what are factors and multiples, right? So if you have any doubt, please check upon my previous video. Okay, and in my previous video, I told about highest common factor. That was a factor which was common among the given numbers. In this case, we are finding the least common multiple. Multiple means a number in which other numbers can be divided completely, right? It is the least number which exactly divides each one of the given numbers. Suppose A, B, C are the given numbers. Okay. A, B and C. You have to find the LCM of these three numbers. Okay. So, suppose the LCM equals X. So what's the specialty of LCM is, if you divide X by A or X by B or X by C, it will be completely divided. That is, you will get a natural number. Okay, so that's the definition of LCM. Now there are two methods in finding the LCM. The first one is the factorization method, similar to the one we done in the HCF, and the second one is the common division method. Okay, so let's see the first method. Now the first method is that factorization method. In factorization method, as earlier, we have to express the given numbers as the product of the prime factors. Okay, and then among those products, we have to take the product of the highest power and multiply them. Then we'll get the LCM. Okay. Now let's see an example. Okay. So in this question, they are asking to find the LCM of these three numbers. So they are already expressed in the factorized form. I mean, they are already expressed in the product of their multiples. How to get the product of the multiple? I showed in my previous video. Okay. So if it is given like this, as per the definition of LCM, we have to take the maximum powers. We have to take the factors with the maximum powers. Okay. So in case of 2, so I can write LCM will be equal to, in case of 2, which is having maximum power, that is 3. So I write 2 cube into, in case of 3, 3 cube. And in case of 5, it's 5 cube. In case of 7, 7 raised to 4. And 11, this we can say 11 raised to 0, 11 raised to 0. This is 11 raised to 1. So that is 11. So if I multiply this, I will get the LCM. So if I divide this number by any of these numbers, it will be divided completely. Okay. So this is the factorization method. Now next let's see common division method. In common division method, we have to follow certain steps. So I will tell firstly what all are the steps we need to follow. The first point is to arrange the given numbers in any order in a row. Okay, and then we have to divide each of the numbers with a prime number. First of all, we have to see that any two numbers must be divisible with that particular prime number. Okay, that is the second step. And then we have to, if any number which is not divisible with that prime number, then we can carry forward that number to the next stage. Okay, and then we'll repeat that steps until there are no two numbers divisible by a common prime number, which is except 1. And then the product of all those divisors will be the LCM. It sounds little confusing, but when I give you an example, you will come to know how easy it is. Okay? Okay. Now the question is, find the LCM of 16, 24, 36, 54. Now what was the first step? We have to arrange this number in a row which can be in any order. There is no increasing or decreasing order. So I am writing 16, 24, 36, 54. Now second step, that is I had to divide. Now in this, these are all even numbers. So the prime number 2 will divide all these numbers, right? So I'll divide all these numbers by 2. Okay? So what I get? 2 8s are 16, 12s are 24, 2 1s, then 18s are 36, 27, right? Now in the second division, the first 3 numbers are even numbers and divisible by 2. What about the last number? It is 27. It is not divisible by 2. So what we need? While we divide all these numbers, the first 3 numbers, this number will be carry forwarded to the next row. Okay? So let's see. So I am dividing the numbers of this row by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. This I am just carry forward and writing it as 27. So I continue this step. Again I want to divide this by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. What about 9 and 27? They are not divisible by 2. So I am just carry forward 9 and 27. Right? Once more, I'll just complete the. Now note two numbers. What is the step? We have to continue this division until no 2 numbers are divisible by the same factor. So in this 2 will divide 2. What about 3, 9 and 27? These numbers cannot be divided by 2. So I am leaving this 2. 3, 9 and 27 are divisible by 3. So I am writing the number 3. So this must be carry forward. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Again these 2 are divisible by 3. So I write 3. This 2 is carry forwarded. 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, right? Now can I divide any 2 common numbers? No, because 2, it will divide only 2. What about the prime number 3? It will divide only 3. So we have completed this. Now how to get the LCM? LCM will be the product of these numbers. That is 2, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to 4 into, how many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 cube. Okay? And we get the answer 432. Okay? So that means that 432 can be divided by any of these numbers and then it can be divided completely. Okay? So hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section and stay tuned for my next video. And don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, that is KRISY'S Maths Academy. Click on the bell icon so that you will get notification on my next video, and also share this video among your friends who need to improve their quantitative aptitude and who are preparing for the competitive exams. Okay? So, bye.